Yaffe here, Paul Yaffe's Bagger Nation, and today I want to talk to you guys about our super stretched Razorback Tank, completely steel construction, full capacity, 6.5 gallon tank for your late model bagger. Years 2008 to 2022. It'll actually fit 23 and later models, but you'll have to modify the side covers or use a set of ours. That being said, this has been one of our best-selling products for years, and we're constantly improving our processes in manufacturing, and I want to show you a few of the great new changes that we've made. One being that the steel is all zinc impregnated, which further helps fight corrosion and keep the rust out of your project. Two, one of the things we did is we had a problem here where guys wanting to grind on these welds and smooth these welds, which can cause perforations in the welds, which can cause leaks. So what we did is we created this shelf and we weld underneath now. So even if you need to shape, one, it creates a beautiful pattern, but if you need to shape it a little bit or whatever, you're not getting anywhere near the welds. So we don't have any more problems with guys grinding a hole in the welds. We've also tweaked on our lower bracket, upper brackets a little bit. So this super sleek, low profile console that's included with our Razorback Tank now fits perfect. Sometimes we had a problem with them being a little off alignment and needed some tweaking. No more. Perfect alignment. Your pop-up chrome gas cap is included with the kit. Rubber trim and all the hardware is done. Your stock EFI unit pops out of your tank, pops right in here, just directly transfers in. No modifications necessary. The only thing you need to do to this tank, scuff it, prime it, get it ready for paint it. Doesn't need a thing. Yeah, it's factory sealed, zinc protected, corrosion resistant, comes with everything you need in the kit. And then let's talk about what it actually does for your motorcycle. Phil, you want to spin around here? So this is a late model Road Glide that's fitted with our Razorback Tank. And as you can see, the flow that's created by adding one of our Razorback tanks is absolutely sexy. Nothing sexier than a Razorback tank flowing right into the side covers. It creates this seamless flow from your fairing right through to the end of the bike. I mean, if you're running a late model bagger and you don't have one of our Razorback tanks, you are just missing out. Phil, stand up too and come up over. Show the hips on this tank and just how beautiful it is. That's the Razorback tank you're looking for. Check it out at baggernation.com. I'm Paul Yaffe. Thanks for watching.